to all media people. Today I had a chance to visit Hyderabad for the inauguration of few products of made from cow Panchgavya by Charaka Dairy Private Limited. I am very happy that Mr. Suryanarayan Reddy ji, Mr. Rao and Dr. Dikshitha all are here with me. We had a very good seminar also regarding the Panchgavya egg production and its utilization for making Bharat Atmanirbhar through Panchgavya products and Chikitsa. See, these are the various products of the Charaka Dairy made from the Panchgavya and Panchgavya as well as only from cow urine and only from cow ghee. This is the nasal drops, this is the liquid cow urine, this is the Panchgavya capsules and Panchakam tablets also. This is the way we will go forward for Ayurvedic and Panchgavya therapy along with the modern technology. Basically material will be Panchgavya and Ayurveda, but the technology wise it will be in the capsule form or tablet form, in liquid form or maybe in other forms also. I congratulate heartily Charaka Dairy Private Limited organizer and management for inspiring other people also to go in this direction regarding the Panchgavya innovations and research. Friends, today also, as Dikshitha ji told me, told you also, that we as a Kamadhenu Ayog, basically Rashtriya Kamadhenu Ayog was established in 2019 by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, a visionary Prime Minister, who wants to utilize the cow wealth, Godhan, for national development, to making India Atmanirbhar, making India divine, glorious and great India. How we can make it? By utilizing our cow wealth. We are having almost more than 19 crores of indigenous cow in our country. We want to solve the problem of stray cattle. We want to solve the problem of keeping cow by the farmers. We want to strengthen the utilization of Panchgavya, that is cow milk, cow urine, cow dung, cow ghee and cow curd. This is called Panchgavya. For utilization of our health, for making India healthy by promoting the overall immunity, as we have observed that during Corona, everybody was talking about how to improve the immunity, and this is Panchgavya is the best medicine for improving the immunity. So we want to create employment, we want to create entrepreneurship, we want to develop such type of pharmaceuticals who are manufacturing medicines from the Panchgavya. We want to create utilizing cow dung. See, this is the book written by Dr. Amit Bhatnagar, who is a Panchgavya Chikitsak. But this book is made of cow dung paper. The whole paper is made from cow dung. You might have also heard about the cow dung paint. Our Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari ji introduced cow dung paint. Similarly, cow dung bricks, cow dung paper, the plywood, everything can be made from the cow dung. This is the very other utilization of cow dung and cow urine, along with the biofertilizer, biopesticide and biofuel. We are promoting in that direction. But see that the people in our country are not sensitized. They are not knowing the real importance of cow, our indigenous cow. Here in your Telangana, it is Ongole cow. And South, all South India, right from Vechu, Amritamal, Khilar and so many others, Kangayam, so many other cow breeds are there. But we are not knowing this our wealth. We are not utilizing the Panchgavya. We are not utilizing the real importance of the cow, or to sensitize the people right from childhood, younger children, school going children, college children and youth and everybody else, we also, all citizens. We have planned a Kamadhenu Go Vigyan Prachar Prasar Pratiyogita exam. It will be a general knowledge type of exam. Everybody can appear in that. It will be an online examination. It will be 100 marks type of paper. All question paper will be on MCQ, multiple choice question. Our website is kamadhenu.gov.in. In that we have kept these all details of the regarding the examination formalities, how to register it, and then we have uploaded some material also to read about the cow, Panchgavya, cow breed, what is biofuel, what are the various breeds, what is A2 milk, A1 milk, and what is Panchgavya therapy, how we should feed the cow, what is organic farming, and all the issues concerned with the cow, Kamadhenu Ayog. So it will create an environment to make the aware about the all issues about the cow, and that will ultimately help in protection of the cow, Gau Sarakshana, then conservation of the cow, then plowing and keeping the cow by the farmers and gopalaks and all others, and for entrepreneurs to become entrepreneur in cow-based industries, cow-based investment, and for Mahila, for women, having a lot of opportunity for employment by making such type of products from cow dung. We made cow dung diya, cow dung various idols of the various god goddesses, and then keychain and table piece and cow watch, everything. Everything, more than 100 items can be made from the cow dung, cow pot, everything. So, to create an awareness, we have organized this examination. On behalf of media people, I request all of you to give it wide publicity through your paper, through your media, electronic media, digital media, social media, so that the maximum people from Andhra Pradesh and South India register in there. They should first register it, and then they have to appear on 25th February is the day of examination. On 25th February, there will be an examination for 1 hour for various groups of primary school students in the morning, then secondary school students, then college students, then all of us. Basically, it's a global examination. Till today, more than 36 countries have registered in there. And people are knowing more and more about the real wealth of the indigenous cow of India. And that is a great achievement for all of us, which will totally change the whole scenario, health scenario, economic scenario of our country. And that is our basic aim. I think I have taken enough time to introduce about the cow examination. Now you can ask the questions. Thank you very much for being over here, and I request you to make as much possible, as much publicity of this Kamadhenu Gau Vigyan Prachar Prasar Pariksha online examination, to make the people sensitized, to create the curiosity and increasing the knowledge about the scientific knowledge, economical knowledge, environmental knowledge, and overall health-wise knowledge for agriculture. All issues are concerned with the cow. It will make a great impact in sensitizing the basically whole world through this examination. Thank you very much.